The selling price and the cost price of an article differ by rupees 240. If the profit percentage is 20, what is the cost price? Now, selling price and cost price differ by 240. So it could be anything, it could be profit or loss. But by reading the next question, we understand that the profit percentage is 20. So therefore, we can conclude that it is profit which is 240. Now, profit percentage formula is profit upon CP into 100. Now, this is given to us as 20. Now, profit is given to us as 240. So therefore, now 240 upon CP into 100 is equal to 20. So 20 fives are 100. So therefore, CP is equal to 240 into 5, that is 1200.